In this exhibition, we've decided to show Latin 164 as an example of green colour used in medieval manuscripts, in this case malachite. Latin 164 is a book of hours. This manuscript is attributed to 15th century Paris to the Dunois master, a famous medieval manuscript illuminator. Originally, when it was most likely bound and sewn on raised cords. These cords allow the object to flex and be supported. At some point, however, probably the late 1700s, it was rebound into what was once a lavish velvet with gold clasped case, but has since become rather threadbare. At the same time, it was sewn onto recess cords. Channels were sawn in the edge of the manuscript and the cords laid in and the sewing attached. This was then combined with a heavy layer of animal glue onto the spine. After several hundred years, this solid spine became just that, a massive solid lump with no flexibility at all. At that point, any use of the material just wore the actual material of the book itself, and eventually it snapped into two pieces. Now we have decided to try and put it back into a binding that will be more sympathetic to its use. This is a three-phase project. Starting with phase one, we removed the old, rather dishevelled cover, and we reduced the layer of adhesive on the spine. Phase two, which we are midway through now, was to completely remove that adhesive, separate out all the sections, as you see now, remove all the sewing, repair them, most likely with Japanese tissue, and eventually to re-sew them back into that same raised structure binding. Currently though, it is on display unbound in this exhibition.